No, every day I was on time.
Psych, every day is on time.
I refuse to broke like out 2 piece. But the market here, I'm going to broad on the cheese. I'm going to broad on the cheese. With the Benjamin America, really peace. America, really peace. With the Benjamin America, really peace. You are in trouble if you carry go. I'll bend no more trouble, so say you go no. Say she do dangerous, serious, dangerous, serious, dangerous.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Goko's Beauty, and today I'm going to do my November 3 bits video. Basically in this video, yeah, I'm going to show you stuff I like in November, like what I've been feeling this November, and then you can just watch it and, you know, just enjoy me in what I like in November. Alright, so let's get going. Okay, so the first thing I am loving this November is these oils, these essential oils. I have peppermint oil and I have eucalyptus oil, and I use it as deodorant. Yes, it was like 2 weeks ago and I could not find my deodorant, and I looked at the side of my room and I spotted this peppermint oil, and I just thought, this is how my brain works, obviously. I just thought, peppermint, that they put that in chewing gum to make your breath smell fresh, so obviously it can obviously help my armpit smell fresh. See? So yeah, I really took it and I went chiku 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 chiku, and that was me for the day. It was really nice. But the thing about this is, who say people use rub? Who say if I rub now? Do chichu hua? When you use rub to like rub yourself, it feels nice, yeah. But like 2 minutes later, when the person has finished rubbing you or you finish rubbing yourself, and you get like a breeze, you kind of feel cold, and that's what this thing does. I don't know how to explain it, but this thing just, it kind of makes you feel a bit cold for some reason. So every day, like throughout the day, I can feel my armpits being a bit cold, and it's making me feel a bit cold. So the other day, I decided to use my eucalyptus one, and this one is really nice, smells nice. But now I actually mix them both. But the amazing part about the whole thing is, I went online, I went back on Amazon, and I could see they had other flavors. They had lavender, strawberry, vanilla, what else did they have? Lime, lemon. They even have one called fresh linens as a fragrance. I'm like, this is so dope. Like, I'm totally gonna get some more of these things. My second favorites is these brushes of this elf. I use it for foundation, I use it for powder. They're just the bomb. Love them. I'll actually get more because I can't be bothered washing these ones. So the third is these little shaver sticks that I got from Amazon. 3 of these was like £1.36 and a free postage. So I'm like, hey, what I do? So yeah, I got these ones. And okay, my eyebrows, look, I'm not on my eyebrow game. My eyebrows are not on fleek and all that stuff, and I'm cool with it. It's not something I'm really concerned about. But I did get my eyebrows like threaded a few months ago, and it was so painful. No one believes me. Like, I found it so painful. I was literally crying, and the lady who was even doing it, she was like, are you okay? Because tears were coming down my eyes when she was doing it. I found it so painful. So I am not going to be going back there again, and I don't feel that she deserves. How much did I pay? £8 or was it £13 for like 50 minutes worth of 15 minutes job? I'm sorry, but cheapskate I will not be paying that much. So, but if it's the first time getting your eyebrows done, I would say probably go to a professional and let them do it for you. Then after that, get yourself one of these and just shape it yourself. And this is amazing for the mustache. We all have it. Yes, girls. Okay, so just get this, and all you have to do, it takes 2 minutes, just go, then just shave off the mustache here. It's the best, and it makes your foundation go on flawless. Sometimes I even like shave my face somehow, and it really just makes your makeup go on flawlessly. It's the best thing, and it's so cheap as well. And I'm sure they're supposed to be like disposable, but nah, man, I'm using the same one for 2 years. I'm kidding. Another one of my favorites is this lipstick, but not for as a lipstick. It's actually very nice. Gonna get some more. It's this little lipstick, and it's sort of peachy color, Destiny Godly, and I use it as a color corrector. So I put this like under my eyes here, under my eyes here, and around my mouth where I feel like there's a bit of darkness, darkness. There's a bit like a darkening, and then when I put my foundation on, I feel like I don't have to put as much on in those areas, because those are the areas that I'll normally go back to try and put more makeup on to cover it. So yeah, this thing, I just put it in those areas. Next favorite is this pot. I know it looks a bit dusty. This is my favorite pot in the house to use, yeah, because this pot, yeah, it's got a really thick bottom. So especially when you're making like benku or fufu, those kind of things that kind of will inevitably kind of burn at the bottom, this is the best thing. Banku fufu or jollof rice, yeah, this thing is the best. It's got a really thick yes, I am showing a pot. It's got a really thick bottom, and your food, it just means that it won't burn as much. Something like jollof rice, because of the way it's made, the bottom will inevitably somehow be a bit darker or burn a bit. But this one, because it's got such a thick base, it doesn't allow things to burn. So when you're making your banku with nkatikoing, oh Ghana, I miss you. Oh, do you know what I miss? In Controme, in Controme, spinach stew, and then you have like biryani body, and then a boiled egg. I just miss it, y'all. Anyway, yeah, so this is a really good pot. And since we're on cutleries, this is my plate. Yeah, this is the plate I love to use in the house, and I like it because it has the little, it's pink. Pink's not my favorite color, but it's nice little thingy. And the thing about it is it's like divided into two. So back in the day when I used to have like my little, like, oh, one side will be vegetables, this will be carbs, and this will be protein, this was a really helpful thing. But now I just like the plate because I like the plate, and it's easy to wash because I don't like washing dishes. Am I the only one who doesn't like washing dishes? I literally despise it. I despise it. Since like the age of, I don't know, 11, I've been telling my parents, if it's my wedding, please buy me a dishwasher. Get me a dishwasher. It's like, ugh, I just hate it. I hate washing dishes, but like more so I hate washing other people's dishes. But it's funny, yo, I'm in someone's house, I would definitely wash my own dishes and stuff, but at home it's such a chore to me, man. Oh, it just makes me feel pure grody. My next favorite is this. Do you guys know Razak hand and body lotion? This stuff smells so good. This stuff smells so good, but the person I am, this is $2.99 for 16 fluid ounces, 500 mils basically, which is quite a lot, you know. You could probably go through this maybe a month. It's not a lot. So plain petroleum jelly, this, and then I just put like a few scoops, like psh, 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 and then I mix it together, and then that's my body lotion. Slow motion. Oh, body lotion. My next favorite is this. Oh my goodness, this is choke and nut cones, like ice cream cones that I get from Iceland. And it says £1 in it, yeah. It's actually 89p, which just makes it so much better. So it's 89p, even though it says £1 here, and it's for a pack of 6. Let me describe it to you. So it's got the ice cream, and then the nuts, and then it's got the corn, and then there's ice cream all throughout, and then the best bit, there's the end, like from here to here, it's like chocolate, just like thick galaxy. These boots, yeah, I wanted these cut boots for the longest time, and I really wanted it to be gold, but this one's are silver. I was selling things, and then I didn't have my receipt, so I had to just get something in exchange. And I went around Primark and I saw this. Where's my hair in it? I went around Primark and I saw this, and it was £20. That was a tag on it. So I picked up other things, and it added up to the like £30 mark that I had to spend. And I went upstairs, and the lady scanned it. She's like, it's only £5. And I'm like, what? And she was being a bit. She's like, oh, let me check that again if it's actually true. And I'm like, mate, you said it's £5. So this was £5, and it was originally £20, and I love it. And I've been wearing it like quite constantly. I try to wear it like 3 days a week. I've been looking for these kind of boots for a long time, and the heel is not too high or too short, you know. I'm trying to wear like more skirts and dresses nowadays, but I can't wear them with flats. I just feel, I don't know, blah. So I need like this kind of boot to help me, so I'm gonna try and get some more. But I really wanted a gold buckle, but anyway, it's really nice, and it's a size 7. Like, you don't understand the struggles. Honestly, the struggles of having big feet is like on another level, and these companies don't even try and make the shoes look cute. They just make it boom, like some space shoes going to, I don't know, Mars. Another one of my favorites is this. You guys, you know where this is from, right? It's called After 5. It's a perfume and it smells so good. It smells really, really, really nice. It smells like this bubble bath that mom and dad used to buy from Tesco or something. I'm trying to remember the name. It's like Silk something like that, but it smells so good. Okay guys, you by faith you smell this here, so we're all gonna close our eyes here. Just really have faith that you're gonna, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Do you smell it? No, honestly, take it seriously. Take it seriously right now. Have faith that you will be able to smell the smell over there, okay? You have faith, okay? So close your eyes. I'm gonna count down 3 seconds. I'm gonna put 2 sprays. 3, 2, 1. Did you smell it? Let me know. Another one of my favorites is these gloves that I got. I got it from the men's section in Primark. Don't hate on me. They were £2.50. Oh my goodness, guys, it's so warm. You don't understand. They look manly. I don't care, like, but I don't care. I don't care. It keeps me so warm, like, and it's got like a thermal, what does it say? It's got a thermal layer or something in it. Yeah, installation. It has, these gloves have installation. Even my house doesn't have installation. You feel me? It's so warm inside. Like, I just put my hand in it, yeah. I just wait for like 2 minutes and it just starts heating up. It's like a little oven. Another one of my favorites is this Sapo. Ghanaians, I don't know who, someone else must use this. It's not, it can't just be just Ghana, but this thing, yeah, I don't know. I see my parents using it all the time, but me, I'm like, I can't use Sapo. And I've went to like all these sponges and exfoliating. I love exfoliating gloves, don't get me wrong, but this thing surpasses all of it. This thing is like, it's the best. And think about exfoliating gloves, they're only £1, but I would have to buy them constantly, like every 2 months or every other month, because the gloves didn't keep its like firmness. After a while, it didn't keep its firmness, so I would have to continue buying a new one. But this thing, you can have it forever and ever, and it's just the boss. It's the best exfoliator. If someone could, maybe that's what I should do. Make these into actual gloves. It's the thing. Like, it's so good, and it's gonna last you forever. It doesn't ever get thingy. Once it's wet, it's softer. When it gets dry, it becomes hard. So when it's hard, you can use it as a dry scrub, and then when it's wet, you can obviously put your soap and stuff and wrap your body. Yeah, so that's my roots. So another one of my favorites is this, actually, this cup that I got from Primark, and it's been there all summer, you know. It's been there all summer, and I see people with it, and I've always wanted one of these, and I finally got one. I don't think you're supposed to put hot water in it, but I do. Like in the morning when I'm going to uni, I just put my tea bag, hot water, and then some milk, and I take my tea bag back out, and then that's me, and I'm running to the bus stop like this. And I only got it like 2 weeks ago, so don't be like,
no, I've not seen you with that paper. Like, why are you lying? I've not.
It's only had it for 2 weeks. You might have not seen me. But this obsession with drinking from a cup and a straw. Like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I went to Subway, and you know, and you know the plastic, it's not plastic cry. It's paper. The paper cups they give you to have a refill. I kept it for like that week, and I like put juice in it and stuff. It's these dates, dried dates. 500 grams of dried dates for £1. I got it from the pound shop, and it's so nice. It kind of satisfies my sweet tooth-ish. Like, I can chop it up and I mix it with some peanut butter, and it tastes quite nice. And it's a nice little snack. Dried dates, 500 grams from the pound shop. And last but not the least is this. Obviously, I cannot have a previous video without having talcum powder. I actually had more containers, but I don't know where it is. I don't know if someone threw them away. I love talcum powder. No. This is how much I've used in maybe like the last month. Don't even ask me what I do with it yet, but I just love talcum powder. Maybe I could get like a contract with them and I promote their products. Talcum powder, the one for you. Talcum powder, talcum powder for you. Talcum powder, talcum powder. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye. Out to Murasa E. She left like the longest comment on my Africa is No Country video. Like, it was like 1,000 words. Girl, I could have put that in my dissertation. That could have been my introduction, methodology, you know? Yeah. Now she left the longest comment and I read it, but I still have to reply, so I'm definitely gonna come back and reply to you. Thank you so much for leaving the comment. She gets swagger, she busy like banana, she take